Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello for everyone. In this video we will try to modeling Bitcoin price using neural network and using MATLAB program. So first we open our program MATLAB. Next step we will import our data Bitcoin price. Following these steps. Like you see here, we have time and Bitcoin price. So press here import selection. Then we rename rename the series to Y. And the next step we will run time series tools for using neural network following this command. And then we will select the model. We will use non-linear autoregressive model. Press here. Then next we will select our series. Then next here we will select each party for training, validation and testing. Here the number of hidden neurons and here the number of delays. We choose 2 for delays and 10 for hidden neurons. And then next in the next step we will choose the training algorithm. We will choose Liebenberg markers and we press here train. The train we will stop after 9 tries. Now we will see the performance of this training. Like you see here, we have the graph of training with the blue and validation with the green color and test with red color. Like you see here, we have small error exactly in the first time, and after the third epoch we have small space between training and validation and test. So we can say that neural network using NAR model can simulate or modeling price of Bitcoin. For more information, we will see other option like regression. Yes, in this graph you have a high autocorrelation, like you see here. It's near to 1. The same for all other party, like training, validation, and test. And this means that our model or our method can predict the price of Bitcoin in different condition. And now we will close all this window and press here next. Here we will save the data, and we will save the script. We press here save result, and then finish. And like this we will finish the modeling of Bitcoin price using neural network with NAR model. And in the next video we will see how predict the price of Bitcoin of others time. Like you see in the result, we will find the error. So we're done with this video, and in the next video we will see how predict using neural network. Thank you for your attention, and see you in the next video. Thank you.